Have you ever been in that frustrating situation where you open your Monese app only to find out your account is locked? You can't access your money, make payments, or do anything at all. It's stressful, confusing, and it feels like you've hit a wall. So, what do you do now? First, don't panic. There are a few key reasons this might have happened, and understanding them is the first step to a solution. The most common reason is a simple security measure. Monese might lock your account if you enter the wrong app passcode too many times. They might also do it if they detect any unusual activity, like a transaction in a new country or a large payment that's out of the ordinary for you. It's all part of their system to protect you from potential fraud. They're also required by law, under regulations like the money laundering regulations, to monitor for suspicious activity. So, if you've been locked out, what are the actionable steps you need to take? Step 1. Check your email and in-app notifications immediately. Monese will almost always send you an email or an in-app message explaining the situation and telling you what to do next. This is the most important step because it will give you specific instructions. Step 2. Follow the instructions provided. If it's a password issue, you'll likely be guided to a Verify Identity or Forgot option in the app. This could involve receiving a one-time passcode to your email or mobile number, and you might even be asked to record a short video selfie. This is a crucial security check to make sure it's really you. Step 3. Be prepared to provide supporting documents. In some cases, especially if the lock is due to unusual account activity, Monese might ask for more information. This could include documents to verify your identity or to explain the source of a particular payment. Responding to these requests as quickly and as thoroughly as possible is key to getting your account unlocked. Step 4. If you haven't heard anything from them or the app isn't giving you clear instructions, your next best bet is to contact their support team. You can do this through the in-app chat or by emailing them at the address provided on their official website. Make sure you're using the email address linked to your Monese account. And remember, their support team won't be able to simply unlock your account or tell you why it was locked if it's due to a complex security issue, but they can guide you through the process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.